Tinulungan ninyo ako at naniwala na awanti imposible. Sa inyong lahat, pasingkitan, pinagkalak ni Ilocano.
Matag-ek Ilocano Festival of Festivals, World Champion is...
This is the 2023 Tan-Ok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals.
Ito'y ang yanan, daga, anak kaya
Ilocos Norte, are you in for a fiesta?
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
I could not find a better time to come back to Ilocos Norte but to join in celebrating the Tan-Ok ni Ilocano, the Festival of Festivals, to show off to the world the best that Ilocanos can offer.
Ngarabi itayami na po at Happy Tan-Ok Festival po sa buong Ilocos Norte.
Welcome to Ilocos Norte. Pasingkedan ti kinatan-ok ni Ilocano.
At nahimbing man po ng ilang taon ang ating pagtatanghal, kasadong-kasado na ang lahat para sa isang masikarbo at makinang na pagdiriwang.
Ito'y ang yanan, daga, anak kaya nakan, nagdaulan, natanong ako
Sangsang kamay sa tayong arod nga mangitag ay tikinatan-ok ni Ilocano.
Na lalong magpapaigting ng ating pagkakakilanlan at pagkakaugnay-ugnay.
Now, Ilocos Norte, are you in for a fiesta? We now formally open the 2023 Tan-Ok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals.
Aya't bigsa tibunan, ikiligin bulan ang mandarabay, gagetik sa matibulos matundan. Nanapulitin, tanawin mo, Ilocos Norte. Nanapulitin, tanawin mo, Ilocos Norte. May hindi kasing kita, tinatanong ni Ilocano. Kapsap, hindi kasing kita, tinatanong ni Ilocano. Ang ram-ram-ram tayo, manipot ang yanan, tinggal at angkan. May kantasan, itay kapay, tanong ni
It is always with great pleasure that we see the different municipalities and cities of Ilocos Norte coming together in one grand event to showcase with pride, with vigor, our history and our cultural heritage.
In 2011,
Senator Amy Marcos, organized the first Tan-Ok ni Ilocano, the Festival of Festivals. Thanks, Mom.
Ang aking minamahal na kababayan ay ayatik nga kailyak na imbag Arabi aming. The stadium speaks well of the strength, the brilliance, the resilience of every Ilocano. I am certain that my father is now watching us proudly and to see how far we have fared as a people.
The third placer goes to Bataan! Second placer, Karasin! Our new grand champion for the 2023 edition Tan-Ok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals, Curimaw!